Saturday, June 29th, 2019, Calvin Castine. And a place we'll be looking at periodically throughout the summer months. There's construction going on here at St. Mary's, the new community room being added on to the sacristy, the existing building. As we can see, they've completed their efforts to go through that huge, thick wall, and there'll be two doorways entering the community gathering room. They've started to put in the preparation for the foundation. Changing our angle now. Here's the backstop for the ball diamond. The very early 1960s when this athletic field was put in. And here's another angle on the construction progress. And if you saw the pictures from how this area here looked when they started, much improvement here. This entrance to the basement. Progress there is continuing. And it does look like they've got a third doorway started. So this east wall is going to have 3 big doorway holes in it, leading into the new area here. New community room at St. Mary's. This is how it looks on June 29th, 2019. We'll wrap up this week's look with another look inside. It hasn't changed much since we were here 2 weeks ago. But it has occurred to me that little painting on the center of the ceiling here will not be visible because there will be new ceilings and other stuff going in. So this will be the only chance people have to see it is through this video in coming years, unless they climb up on top of the ceilings. So I'll look at the June 29th, look at the construction progress at St. Mary's, the new community room in Champlain, New York.